Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Architecture and Landscape Design with ChatGPT 4o, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial explores how to leverage ChatGPT 4o in architectural and landscape design, covering various aspects from brainstorming and concept generation to code-aided design and presentation enhancement. We'll delve into practical examples, provide code snippets, primarily Python using libraries like matplotlib and pil for visualizations, and discuss strategies for effective prompting. Introduction: Why ChatGPT 4o for design? ChatGPT 4o, with its enhanced reasoning, image understanding, and ability to generate creative text formats, offers unprecedented potential for architects and landscape designers. Here's why it's a game changer. Brainstorming and idea generation. Overcome design blocks by soliciting diverse ideas and concepts based on project constraints. Concept development and narrative generation. Develop compelling narratives to support your designs, weaving together functionality, aesthetics, and user experience. Site analysis and research. Quickly gather and analyze relevant information about climate, materials, local regulations, and precedents. Code-aided design and automation. Generate code snippets for parametric modeling, data analysis, and visualization. Presentation and communication. Craft persuasive project descriptions, create compelling visuals, and refine your design rationale. Accessibility. Explore design options and receive feedback in natural language, breaking down barriers for clients and collaborators with varying levels of technical expertise. Iteration and refinement. Quickly explore variations, refine details, and iterate on your design based on feedback from the AI. 2. Getting started. Effective prompting strategies. The key to unlocking ChatGPT 4o's potential lies in crafting effective prompts. Here are some principles. Be specific. Avoid vague requests. Provide clear context, including the project type, site conditions, client needs, and desired aesthetic. Specify constraints. Define limitations like budget, materials, building codes, and environmental considerations. Define the goal. Clearly state what you want ChatGPT 4o to achieve. Are you looking for ideas, code, text, or a combination? Use examples. If you have a specific style or precedent in mind, provide examples, text descriptions, links, or uploaded images. Iterate. Start with a general prompt, then refine it based on the AI's response. Add more detail, ask clarifying questions, or request variations on the original idea. Use keywords. Incorporate relevant architectural and landscape design terminology. Consider terms like biophilic design, passive solar, sustainable materials, contextualism, etc. Ask for explanations. Encourage ChatGPT 4o to explain its reasoning and provide justification for its suggestions. This helps you understand the AI's logic and make informed decisions. Specify output format. If you want code, specify the programming language, example Python, and any required libraries. If you want text, specify the desired tone, style, and length. 3. Core architectural and landscape design tasks with ChatGPT 4o. Let's explore some specific tasks and examples. Brainstorming and concept generation. Prompt *, I'm designing a modern single-family home in a coastal environment with strong winds and sunny conditions. The client wants a durable, sustainable, and aesthetically pleasing design that maximizes natural light and ocean views while minimizing energy consumption. Suggest 5 different conceptual approaches, incorporating elements of passive solar design and wind mitigation. Expected outcome *ChatGPT 4.0 will generate 5 distinct conceptual design approaches, potentially including 1. Elevated form with aerodynamic profile *A house elevated on stilts with a curved roofline to deflect wind. Large south-facing windows with overhangs for passive solar gain. 2. Courtyard house with windbreaks *A house organized around a sheltered courtyard, using landscaping and walls to reduce wind exposure. Skylights provide natural light. 3. Dune integrated design *A house partially buried in the dunes, utilizing the earth for insulation and wind protection. Green roof to blend with the landscape. 4. Modular prefabricated structure *A house constructed from prefabricated modules, designed for resilience and ease of assembly. Utilizes recycled materials. 5. Passive house inspired design *, an ultra-energy efficient house with triple paned windows, high insulation, and an airtight building envelope. Optimized for passive solar heating and cooling. B. Site analysis and research *. Prompt * analyze the climate data for San Francisco, California, focusing on temperature ranges, rainfall, wind patterns, and solar irradiance. Identify design strategies that can effectively address these climatic conditions in a residential building, considering both energy efficiency and occupant comfort. Expected outcome * ChatGPT 4.0 will provide a summary of San Francisco's climate, highlighting its mild temperatures, frequent fog, strong winds, and moderate solar irradiance. It will then suggest design strategies such as utilizing thermal mass * employing concrete or other materials with high thermal mass to regulate indoor temperature. Incorporating daylight strategies * designing for ample natural light while minimizing glare and heat gain from direct sunlight. Skylights and light shelves can be beneficial. Addressing wind loads * employing windbreaks, aerodynamic building forms, and durable materials to withstand strong winds. Considering humidity control * implementing ventilation strategies to manage humidity levels and prevent mold growth. Prioritizing insulation * using high-performance insulation to minimize heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. C. Code-aided design and visualization, Python example. Let's create a simple Python script to visualize solar angles for a specific location and time of year. This can help inform decisions about window placement and shading. Prompt for ChatGPT 4.0. To generate this code, write a Python script using the Astral and matplotlib libraries to calculate and plot the solar elevation and azimuth angles for San Francisco, California on December 21, 2024. Display the elevation on the y-axis and the hour of the day on the x-axis. Do the same for the azimuth. Make sure the graphs are clear and well labeled. Explanation Astral library provides functions for calculating sunrise, sunset, and solar position. Matplotlib library used for creating plots and visualizations. The script calculates the solar elevation and azimuth for each hour of the day and plots the results. This visualization can help architects understand how sunlight will impact the building at different times of the year. Prompt for ChatGPT 4.0, to interpret the results based on the output of the Python script above. What are the key considerations for designing a building in San Francisco to maximize solar gain in the winter while minimizing overheating in the summer? D. Generating design narratives and descriptions ****. Prompt **** write a compelling narrative describing a proposed community garden design for a low-income neighborhood. Emphasize the social, environmental, and economic benefits of the garden. Include details about the garden's layout, plant selection, and community involvement strategies. Write in a tone that is both informative and inspiring, targeting potential funders and community members. Expected outcome ** ChatGPT 4.0 will generate a narrative like this. Example. Imagine a vibrant oasis blooming in the heart of neighborhood name, a community garden where residents connect with nature, nourish their bodies, and build a stronger future. This isn't just a garden, it's a catalyst for positive change. The garden, envisioned as a series of interconnected plots, will feature raised beds accessible to individuals with mobility challenges. A central gathering space, shaded by fruit trees, will provide a venue for community events, workshops, and celebrations. The plant selection will prioritize edible crops, including vegetables, herbs, and fruits chosen for their nutritional value and suitability to the local climate. We will also incorporate native plants to attract pollinators and enhance biodiversity. This garden offers a multitude of benefits. Social empowerment. The garden provides a space for residents to connect, share knowledge, and build a sense of community. It fosters social inclusion and reduces isolation. Environmental sustainability. The garden promotes sustainable practices, such as composting, water conservation, and reduced reliance on processed foods. It enhances the neighborhood's green infrastructure and improves air quality. Economic opportunity. The garden provides access to fresh, affordable produce, reducing food insecurity and improving health outcomes. It also creates opportunities for job training and entrepreneurship. Our community-driven approach ensures that the garden is truly owned and sustained by the residents it serves. We will engage community members in all aspects of the project, from design and construction to planting and maintenance. Through workshops, volunteer opportunities, and educational programs, we will empower residents to become active stewards of their environment. Join us in cultivating a brighter future for neighborhood name. Your support will help us transform this vision into a reality, creating a thriving community garden that nourishes both body and soul. Landscape design specifics ***. Prompt ***. I am designing a drought-tolerant residential garden in Southern California. The client wants a Mediterranean style with a focus on native and drought-tolerant plants. Suggest 5 plant combinations for different areas of the garden, including a focal point planting near the entrance, a border planting along a fence, a ground cover planting for a sunny slope, a shade garden planting under a tree, and a container planting for the patio. For each combination, specify the plant names, both common and scientific, their water requirements, and their aesthetic characteristics. Expected outcome ** ChatGPT 4.0 will provide 5 distinct planting combinations, such as 1 focal point, entrance. California buckeye, Aesculus californica, low water, striking tree with fragrant white flowers in spring. Provides shade and visual interest. California fuchsia, Epilobium cinum, low water, hummingbird attracting shrub with bright red flowers. Deer grass, Muhlenberg irrigens, low water, ornamental grass with graceful, arching foliage. 2 border planting, fence. Ceanothus concha, Ceanothus, low water, evergreen shrub with dark blue flowers. Provides privacy and visual appeal. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, low water, fragrant herb with purple flowers. Attracts bees and butterflies. Rosemary, Salvia rosmarinus, low water, aromatic herb with blue flowers. Edible and drought tolerant. 3 ground cover, sunny slope. Creeping thyme, Thymus serpillum, low water, aromatic ground cover with tiny pink flowers. Tolerates foot traffic. Asterisk dwarf coyote bush, Baccharis pilularis pigeon point, low water, low-growing evergreen shrub with dense foliage. Asterisk California poppy, Eschscholzia californica, low water, bright orange wild flowers that self-seed readily. 4 shade garden, under tree. Asterisk Heuchera, Heuchera species, moderate water, foliage plant with colorful leaves in shades of green, purple, and bronze. Asterisk Western sword fern, Polystichum munitum, moderate water, lush green fern that thrives in shady conditions. Asterisk coral bells, Heucherella, moderate water, hybrid with the leaf color of Heuchera, the form of Tiarella. 5 container planting, patio. Asterisk succulents, Echeveria, sedum, aloe, very low water, variety of shapes and colors. Requires well-draining soil. Asterisk pelargonium, Pelargonium species, low water, geranium-like flower. Asterisk agave asterisk, very low water, bold structural plant with sharp leaves. F. Working with building codes and regulations asterisk asterisk. Prompt asterisk summarize the key zoning regulations regarding setbacks, building height, and parking requirements for residential construction in specific city, state. Focus on single-family dwellings in a residential zone, R1. Also, summarize the fire safety regulations regarding egress windows and smoke detectors for a newly constructed single-family dwelling. Expected outcome asterisk chatgpt 4.0 will provide a summary of the relevant zoning regulations, including asterisk setbacks asterisk minimum distances the building must be from property lines, front, side, and rear. Asterisk building height asterisk maximum allowable height of the building. Asterisk parking requirements asterisk minimum number of parking spaces required per dwelling unit. Asterisk egress windows asterisk requirements for window size and operability in bedrooms to provide emergency escape routes. Asterisk smoke detectors asterisk requirements for the placement and type of smoke detectors in the dwelling. Important note asterisk while ChatGPT 4.0 can provide a summary, it's crucial to verify all information with the official city or county planning department. Building codes and regulations can be complex and subject to change. 4. Advanced techniques and considerations. Asterisk image-based prompts asterisk upload images of existing buildings or landscapes and ask ChatGPT 4.0 to analyze their style, materials, or design principles. You can then request variations or adaptations of these designs. Asterisk data integration asterisk feed ChatGPT 4.0 with real-world data from APIs or CSV files, example weather data, demographic information, to inform your design decisions. Asterisk iterative design refinement asterisk use ChatGPT 4.0 to generate multiple design options, then iteratively refine them based on feedback from clients, colleagues, or the AI itself. You can upload images of design iterations and ask for specific improvements. Asterisk ethical considerations asterisk be aware of the potential biases in AI-generated content. Critically evaluate the AI's suggestions and ensure that your designs are equitable, inclusive, and environmentally responsible. Avoid using AI to generate designs that perpetuate stereotypes or discriminate against certain groups. Asterisk limitations of AI asterisk remember that ChatGPT 4.0 is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and expertise. It's important to use the AI's suggestions as a starting point, and then apply your own knowledge, judgment, and design skills to create truly innovative and effective solutions. Always consult with licensed professionals, architects, landscape architects, engineers, for final design approval and construction documentation. V. Example of using ChatGPT 4.0 to improve design aesthetics asterisk asterisk. Let's say you have a basic design sketch or 3D model. You can describe it to ChatGPT 4.0 and ask for improvements. Scenario *: you have a simple rectangular office building design with a flat roof and standard windows. Prompt *: I have a design for a 3-story office building. It's currently a simple rectangular box with a flat roof and standard rectangular windows. The exterior is currently planned to be gray concrete. I want to make it more aesthetically appealing and modern. Suggest 5 improvements, focusing on facade treatment, fenestration, and landscaping. Be specific about materials, forms, and planting schemes. The goal is to make it more inviting and less utilitarian. Possible outcome from ChatGPT 4.0 *: 1. Facade articulation with vertical elements *: introduce vertical elements such as fins or louvers to break up the monolithic concrete facade. These elements can be constructed from wood-look composite material or colored metal, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. Angled fins can also provide shading, enhancing energy efficiency. The color palette should shift from a uniform gray to a contrast between light gray for the main surface and darker shades for the vertical elements. 2. Dynamic fenestration pattern * instead of uniformly spaced rectangular windows, create a dynamic fenestration pattern. Use windows of varying sizes and shapes, arranged in an asymmetrical manner. Incorporate a ribbon window that spans the length of the building on the 2nd floor, providing expansive views. Consider using tinted or fritted glass to reduce glare and heat gain while adding visual interest. 3. Green wall integration * incorporate a green wall on a prominent facade, such as the south-facing wall. This not only enhances the building's aesthetic appeal but also improves air quality and reduces the heat island effect. Use a modular green wall system with drought-tolerant plants appropriate for your region. Integrate an automated irrigation system to ensure the wall's long-term health. 4. Canopy and entrance enhancement * design a distinctive canopy over the main entrance. The canopy could be constructed from steel and glass, creating a welcoming and transparent entry point. Incorporate integrated lighting to highlight the entrance at night. Replace the standard doors with larger, more inviting glass doors. 5. Landscaping with native plants and sculptural elements * create a landscape design that complements the building's modern aesthetic. Use native plants that are drought-tolerant and require minimal maintenance. Incorporate sculptural elements, such as large boulders or abstract metal sculptures, to add visual interest. Use gravel pathways and permeable paving to reduce stormwater runoff. Consider adding a water feature, such as a small pond or fountain, to create a calming atmosphere. Refining the prompts * you could then take one of these suggestions and ask for more detail. Prompt * expand on the green wall integration idea. Specify particular plant species suitable for a south-facing wall in city, state, considering drought tolerance and visual appeal. How can the green wall be integrated with the building's irrigation system? What are the best practices for maintaining a green wall on an office building? 6. Conclusion. ChatGPT 4.0 presents a powerful tool set for architects and landscape designers. By mastering effective prompting techniques, exploring the AI's diverse capabilities, and combining AI-generated insights with your own expertise, you can unlock new levels of creativity, efficiency, and innovation in your design process. Remember to validate all information with reliable resources, prioritize ethical considerations, and always consult with licensed professionals for final design approval. The future of design is here, and it's a collaborative partnership between humans and AI.